Happy New Year. I'm headed out on my morning walk, trying to keep my husband already trying to talk to me. So it's a little late, but I'm headed out here, start the new year off right. So you see, I just got back from my walk. I'm breathing heavy. So I just want to show you guys something. So my husband made these awesome doors yesterday out of plywood. And great job, right? But look what he left in the front of the house. Can you see that? I can't even see if you can see. You see all that wood? So I ain't gonna say nothing. And I'm gonna see how long it takes him to pick this stuff up from in the front of the house. I'm betting it stays there like 2 days. Look. All right, let's see. He must have heard me talking to y'all about this wood. Look, he done picked up all of it. Get out of here. Oh my God. He must have heard me talking about it. Now he done picked it up. All right. Y'all see these dishes?
No, don't put the dishes. I was washing them last night, and then Dad sent me to bed. And then I was supposed to call. These are the wash ones, and then they poured stuff in, and now they're dirty again.
See this? This is what she's been doing all day. She hasn't done a thing all day.
Hey!